Hello, good afternoon. Today is 23rd of July 2014. My name is Andeerson Wong. I'm a head of fund manager for Forex fund in Europe and hedge fund in UK. This is video number 24, and the topic of this video is Forex broker. Let us have some understanding of Forex broker first. Understand there's many Forex broker in the world or in your country, but you can see a lot of Forex broker is not actual Forex broker. They are white label, they are gray label, or even they are just a website. You see, I come across many things in my Forex life for 8 years. Some of them white label. So in a white label, what they do is they will set up a server. Let's say server A is actual broker. They will set up a second level, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. Some white label or gray label, they are in level 5. So when they receive an order from customer, let's say you want to buy and sell, they actually throw from server 5 to server 4. Server 4 will reroute to server 3, server 3 to server 2, server 2 reroute to server 1. So once server 1 will send to a liquidator to liquidate or to do the matching and send back the confirmation back down from level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. So it takes a lot of time. So especially during volatile market, you can see your order cannot be done. You will enter, it wait about 10 seconds, it come back say order not captured, redo. So you can see a lot of white label out there. Of course, not all the white label is bad. Some white label actually quite good, but 99.9% of the white label is not good. Why I can say that? Because white label server easily down. The downtime is quite heavy. Sometimes they're down for half an hour, so you cannot enter the market. You can exit the market, and this is bad. I saw one person, he started a white label. He spent about 3 million to set up a white label plus all the hardware, software, legislations, office, this and that. The server just down for 2 hours. He lost $5 million because a lot of people is suing him because they cannot exit the market. You see why I cannot exit market? This is a price. I capture the screen and I forward to authority, and the authority need to take legal actions on the white label because white label is a company name. They are registered in the specific countries. So there are many court cases today actually in white label dealing. So you must know who you're dealing with. If you're not sure, visit my website www.forextradingcosttoyou.com. Go to my contact page, email to me, tell me which broker you're dealing with. No obligations. Email to me, tell me a little bit what you know, who you contact, and I will do the backup check, back-end check, and will tell you whether it's a true broker or not a true broker. There's many ways to check. Only the professional like us be able to tell you true or false. Alright, go back to Forex broker. There's a lot of Forex broker today. Some of them genuine, some of them not. I can tell you in the worldwide world, less than 20 broker is a true broker. Of course, some are very small. I cannot say they are fake, but they are not that reliable, especially if your HQ is based on any offshore country like British Virgin Island, Cayman Island. I not say they are bad, but do you like to take legal actions on them when you cannot go? You like to go to British Virgin Island just to sue them for $1,000 loss in account? So that is why a lot of company or individual, they would use this advantage to themselves, and they know you won't fly to British Virgin Island just to sue them for this purpose. Then you are small fly. Will you take legal actions? The legal fee can be 20,000 and your loss is only 1,000. You won't. So in these situations, Forex broker know your weaknesses and they know how to manipulate with you. And some Forex broker, they actually manipulate the price. Example, you put 3 broker screen on side to side, broker A, broker B, and broker C, and suddenly broker C price is jumping higher than broker A and B, and you can see why it's jumping. Then you send an inquiry, you say why the price goes so high. Then you send in, they'll tell you this is called internal trade. It's legally trade, but because this trade is not sent out to the international market, because they do internal trades, so you can see is a manipulative price. But what you can do if you even know they are manipulative price, so my advice to you is move away from this kind of broker. I know a few big broker, even some of them listed in New York Stock Exchange. They are manipulative the price, and it's not good. It's not good, you know. So customer lose money, and some of them they're blocking the price from falling below certain price, even though the international market is going below. So in this case, you actually can capture the screen. That's why I need to advise you to have 2 to 3 broker side by side, either a demo account or actual account side by side. So anything wrong, you can capture the screen, send them, tell them this is the international market price, and it's up to them to compensate you. If they don't compensate you in good order, then you can take some actions, either legally or by boycotting or whatever you need to do. So selecting of Forex broker is one of the most important job to do, because 80% of the broker that I saw in the market today, either online or offline or through friends or brokers or Facebook, they are fake. So when you send in the money, they say, yeah, I receive your money. So when you make some money along the line, 3 to 6 months, and you would like to withdraw, and very sorry, your withdrawal not successful due to your IC reason, your document problem, your account not properly set up, your TT not go through, and some of them even tell you you've been checked and blocked by government, FBI, America Patriotic Act, you know, all this nonsense. Where by right, if they are the genuine broker, they don't have this issue, because only genuine broker will allow you to trade once your account and document fully ready and fully qualified. They won't open account to you if you're not qualified, because that's why a lot of money laundering or act in place in governing all this activity. If you are not genuine investors, and your money cannot be declared officially or can declare as Y, as legal money, then I advise you don't come to Forex world, because Forex world will take you away. Because in today regulation, either from FBI, America, Europe, Australia, Japan, Hong Kong, Singapore, all these broker is governed by the exchange, and the exchange is very strict. Let me tell you few area of governing. The best Forex broker is governed by FCA. FCA is UK legislations. So FCA broker, normally you can dealing with them, but it's only a legitimate company or Forex broker in UK. All is governed by FCA. But again, FCA doesn't grant you the effectiveness and the truthfulness of the trades. Some server of FCA company is bad. They cannot execute on time because they think they don't want to spend so much money on server. So your order cannot be executed, and the downtime is heavy. Secondly, you can depend on Eurex. Eurex is European exchange. So if the broker is registered with Eurex, then you are more secure. So this is a two governing body that you can dealing with. Example on Iron Forex that I represent, all the client account is protected by Eurex. 20,000 euro per account is auto protected by insurance from ironforex.com HQ in Cyprus. Cyprus is not an offshore country. Cyprus is a smallest country in Europe, and the legislations or the control body is still Eurex. So that's why you can see a lot of governing body actually check and balance all the activities, and every document that you need in Iron Forex must be fulfilled before you allow to do trading. Of course, forex broker, a good forex broker always have condemned from another side, because forex is a very competitive market. A lot of brokers, they don't have good business, their reputation is bad, so they want to condemn the competitor, a good competitor, in the website, condemn them for unknown reason, or just simply put a bad comment. So people look at it and say, I see this is bad company, but in actual fact it is not true, because I can see a lot of blog or forum there, they put them a lot of bad comment. Where I check with the HQ, they say this is not, this is their own problem. Some of them, they are not produce proper document, and they say this is a fake broker, they cannot open an account, this and that. So others also will blackmail them by telling the true story, fabricate story. So a good broker also have a lot of education series. That's why in my website www.forextradingcourse2u, I always stress on educations. If you don't have a good education, you can forget about forex trading. And education is not one time, it's continue process. It's series 1, series 2, series 3. So a good education program willing to invest so much money to do education. It's not a video recording like Iron Forex. Actually, they do very good job in education, where they've been interviewed by CNN, CNBC, and once a while they have interviewed by top newscasters, and they're openly to upload to YouTube or upload in the website all the past education series. So customer actually can go to the website, look at it, feel the seriousness of the broker. And one more area to look into the broker is the customer support. A lot of broker, they don't have live chat, but in today's world, live chat is so important. So live chat actually can deal with you all the time, within 24 hours, and live chat is a good communication tools. If they're serious in forex, they should have that. Alright. So and forex have 30 office worldwide, from China, Russia, down to America, down to Brazil. We have the office over there. Okay. And Iron Forex also is a Barcelona football team official sponsor. So if you are not legal, you think Barcelona football association will deal with you? I don't think so. So that's why a good broker, normally they can have a good name, and they only sponsor good international match like Barcelona team player. And good broker also normally give you daily commentary, and this is very subjective. Some commentary by certain broker, they just cut and paste, change a header, change a logo, and they tell you the same thing. This is not a true broker. A true broker, normally they have their own marketing strategy or trading strategies that able to tell you his personal comment on certain product, on gold, on dollar, on euro, on Aussie dollar, or yen, or whatever currency pair. So they actually give you a lot of insight, even though it's delayed, but still insight. And lastly, forex broker will normally conduct webinar, and this webinar is not conduct once every 6 months. Webinar normally conduct once a month. So you can log in, multiple log in from worldwide, and see how it teach you step by step. Because certain things, when you put in writing, you cannot really understand what it's all about. Maybe video is the best education tools. So that's why a lot of broker able to give you a lot of education series and what I mentioned above. So to choose a good broker, normally you go through a good partners like us. Why? Because first, we're not dealing with money game, we're not dealing with multi-level, we're not dealing with FCA broker or Eurex broker, and we're only dealing with broker that your money can come back, straight away send it back to you within 3 to 5 working days, depend on which country you belongs to. So as I mentioned, we have 30 offices worldwide, and I'm a head of fund managers as well as master IB. I can travel to any office in these 30 countries and use the office for my education series. So that's why I glad I have Iron Forex. Of course, I have another broker which I will tell you soon, where it's a FCA regulated, and we might set up a hedge fund one day by our own self, and we'll tell you, keep on to inform you. So if you have any questions on Forex broker or any doubts or any unsure, just go to my contact page at www.forextradingcosts2u. Contact me, send me an email, no obligations. I will reply you within 48 hours. Or if you've got Skype or WeChat or WhatsApp, can straight away contact me and I will reply to you personally. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you choose the right Forex broker, and choosing the right Forex broker is almost most important, and this will save you a lot of hassle and your money will come back. Alright, thank you so much, and I hope your trading is a very successful one, and I hope you can be always healthy and profitable. Thank you. Goodbye.